What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new POV video. Today you join me inside the Audi RS3 8V generation. This is the facelift, so 8V2, and as usual we're just gonna go for a quick POV drive. And yeah, I'm gonna start it with launch control, not even gonna waste any time. This thing sounds incredible, I have to say. Been driving it for a while now, and yeah, really been enjoying it. So I'll go back to auto. To launch it, you need to have the car in dynamic, put traction control in its sport setting, and you're good to go. So let's try launch control. Oh, that sound. Oh, this thing launches so aggressively. Wow. Go back to manual so I can do the gears myself. Man, this car just sounds amazing. Oh, by the way, this is a 2017 model and it doesn't have the fuel particulate filter, so it sounds insane. Gonna drive around this area. It's nice, it's quiet. Man. The thing about this car, I just want to keep quiet and just drive. But let's do a quick recap on these stats. So the car has the infamous 2.5 liter 5-cylinder motor that's making 294 kilowatts, which is exactly 400 horsepower. That is metric horsepower, by the way, and 480 newton meters of torque. So it has the 7-speed dual clutch S-TRONIC transmission. It's quattro all-wheel drive, of course, and it's a Heldex setup, so it can send up to 50% of the power to the back. So unlike the new one, you only have a diff at the front. You don't get the one at the back with the drift mode and stuff. But still an enjoyable car. I think when you reach the limit, that's where you notice a bit of understeer. But in the real world, on the road, you never reach the limit of these things. Maybe on track. Sound is just glorious, and I love the rev counter with the shift lights. Funny enough, I've noticed it only does the shift lights when you get to second gear and up, and first gear doesn't do it. So I'll demonstrate now. I'll go to first gear. If I approach a red line, see, it doesn't do the shift lights. You'll see after this curve it'll start doing the shift lights when we approach red line. Just watch. See? But they look absolutely cool. The way it goes from green, yellow to red. Ah, man. They should have kept this style. Brakes are absolutely powerful. Hey, 6-piston calipers, cross-ventilated discs. The stopping power here is really insane. I'll lower my window now. Man. Go back to first gear. Now I'll go for another lap and I'll conclude the POV. also go to the main road quickly, because I know some of you guys will complain and say, why didn't you take it to the highway or whatever? Even though I can't break the speed limit. It's easy to break the speed limit on this thing. We'll just go to the main road quickly and maybe turn back by the traffic lights. Just take this moment to cool down the brakes a bit. But yeah, in here it's still very nice. You have a nice Alcantara steering wheel. It's one spec'd with carbon fiber, so you get some on the door inserts, the dashboard. There's some Alcantara on the door inserts. There's this brushed aluminium feeling material. It's just very nice and premium in here. So it's still a very nice, comfortable, high quality car, even in today's day and age. So we'll just go up this road and we'll come back. Oh man, that 5-cylinder motor is just to die for. Catch speed so quickly in this thing. Actually, let me go this way. Is the angle still fine, Uncle Malo?
Yeah.
No, just leave it, it's fine, as long as the angle is fine. It does this thing where if it rotates and you rotate the phone, it goes upside down again. I don't know why. Did it come back the right way? Oh, it goes back linear. That still looks fine though. Still looks fine. How did you manipulate it? Because I held it on it.
When to make it flat. H17. 55.
55, my country is called 55. Every time I see these guys, I think of you.
What's in your mirror? What's in your mirror?
But yeah guys, I think I'll leave it off right here. I really do hope you enjoyed this POV video, and until next time, that's cheers from me.